Before you begin printing, make sure the magnetic print bed is placed on the heat bed. Do not print directly on the heat bed. Next, insert the SD card into the left side of the control panel. The gold contacts of the SD card must be facing you. The MK3S will sort through your files and display their names on the screen. Use the knob to scroll through the list and press the knob to select the file you want to print. The printer's nozzle and print bed will begin heating up. The nozzle temperature needs to be high enough to melt the filament for printing, and a warm print bed will help the print adhere well to the bed. The printer will take about a minute to reach the preset temperatures. In the meantime, close the enclosure door to keep the printer's surrounding temperature stable. This will help prevent the part from shrinking during the print. When heating is complete, the printer will zero the X, Y, and Z axis and then starts the mesh bed leveling. During the leveling, the height of the print bed is measured at 9 different points. This allows the MK3S to adjust the print in case there is any bed warpage. The printer will then perform a nozzle wipe to stabilize the pressure in the print head and remove excess filament at the nozzle. Now, the Prusa MK3S printer will begin printing. You must observe the first few layers of the print. If there is an issue with the initial layers, it may ruin the print. Ensure that the initial layers are printed well and are adhering to the print bed. Observing the printer for the first 10 minutes before you step away is crucial in ensuring your print quality. You should also check the print every 10 minutes should an error occur, such as clogged nozzle, layer shift, warping, part dislodged, or failed supports. In the printer's control panel, a print countdown timer is shown. When the print is complete, the printer head and platform will return to their home positions. You can safely remove the print bed once all printer movement stops.